As a baker, you are still struggling to make up to 100,000 naira a month, at least 100,000 naira a month, because there's no customer order or because no customer is coming to buy cake. Then this video is for you. You have to watch to the end because I have a very interesting thing to tell you on how you can generate over 100,000 naira monthly from your baking skill without waiting for any customer's order. Hi guys, my name is Teshi. I'm a baker and I'm a social media strategist. So in this video, I want to teach you 7 side hustle that you can earn cool cash from your baking skill. Like something you don't even know before that you can earn a lot of money from. Personally, this is what I've done and it has worked for me. I've used like 1 or 2 of these ideas last year and I'm still using them and it's working amazingly. So if you are still struggling as a baker, please do not scroll, watch till the end. And number 7 will shock you. See, if you do that number 7 before the end of this year, you are consistent. I promise you, if you don't make up to 1 million naira, then come back and drag my apron. So let's go straight to the video. So number 1 idea is hosting short physical training. Yes, you could say, oh, I want to host a 3 days training for maybe how to make meat pie, how to make small chops, how to make donut, how to make ego, different things. Instead of waiting for the long 3 month training that will take like 200k to 100k to register, some persons might just want to, I just want to start a small business, I don't know what to do, let me learn how to make small chops. You can put it for like 20,000 naira. You are providing your material, just come and learn small chops for at least 3 days, you are done. If you keep hosting maybe like that kind of short class and you get like 5 people to register, that's 100k. You can make it weekly. Oh, today is our first week, today is our second week. You can also make it monthly. So with that, you don't even have to wait for customer order before you start. You can hold a short class on how to make bread. A lot of persons might not want to go for online class because maybe their understanding is a little bit low. People, a lot of persons don't understand from online class, but some just want, show me, let me see what you are doing. Hosting this short physical class can get you enough cash. You can host it on maybe something that you are very good at, maybe things that over the years a lot of persons have known you to be. Then host the physical class, advertise it on a lot of platforms, do sponsored ad if you need to, but on do sponsored ads if you need to, and then you will see how you make money without waiting for customers order. So my number 2 idea now is doing short online class. Yes, I said physical class earlier, now is an online class. Online class will give you wider range. I know that some persons don't like physical class, but a lot of persons are not in your location, so they don't want to be restricted to it. A lot of persons can come to online class and they still learn. I have a baker who from my online class started baking, started taking customers order. Like, I am still in shock sometimes when I say I work, when I see her work, I have to ask her again, are you sure you it was only my online class you attended? Like, this girl, she makes a lot of beautiful cakes that even some people that attend physical class cannot make. So there are some persons that, oh, they are very sure I can do this online class, why not do it? You don't have to do plenty. You can base your online class on just how to make 1 or 2 things. Just keep doing it and then keep posting the reviews. See, even if the class is 1,000 naira, and in a month you get like 50 people to sign up, because all those cheap classes, they always have a lot of people that signed up. That is 50,000 naira already. That is just from that online class. Now imagine you are doing online class, you are doing physical class. See, you start making money, so that you won't forget that, oh, there's anything like customer order to make money. And number 3 idea is become a part-time lecturer, or to either university or to secondary school. Now let me explain. When I was in university, my university days, we have a course called CED, and in that CED, we have a practical lecturer for it. They have for different entrepreneur, for baking, for tailoring, for makeup artists, a lot. And most of those entrepreneur lecturers, they are also fully into their profession. They are fully into what they do. They just come to maybe once in a while to the school, maybe once in a week to take attend to do practical for their students. So if you can find out, oh, let me send my application letter to these schools that need it, mostly those universities, those private universities that are coming up. If you can send your applications to them, hopefully you might get hired. You can also do it in secondary school. Most of the secondary school, their home economics teacher, they are not really good. So you can go to a secondary school and say yourself to them, I want to come and be teaching your student practical maybe once in a month, once in a week, and you get your pay. that one with this self you can even have more people. People might not more people from the class. You might not make enough money from that particular training, but you have contacts. Oh, the students that you are teaching there, their parents are there. They are telling them, ah, mommy, there's this person that came to teach us how to bake cake today. Oh, okay. When they want to make cake, the first person that will come to their mind is, let's use this my daughter's auntie. Same thing with the university lecturers. Their money is not really big, but the kind of thing, the influence and the contact they make from all those training at the end of the month, you will not believe the kind of money that they've made. Now, my number fourth idea is dropshipping baking equipment. If you don't have money to buy all those baking equipment and keep, if you're a baker, definitely you have audience that are baker. Like me, for my Facebook, I have a lot of bakers. So I know that if I sell any baking equipment, hopefully if I continue, I'll make money. So if you don't have money to buy, like me, I dropship oven. I don't buy. I just look for customers. When I get the customers, send the contact detail to my seller, and then that's all. She do the delivering, she do the running around. My own is to just to connect her to customer, take my profit, give her a balance. The thing is that they pay to my account, they don't have any business to do with her, and then she send it to them without any information from her. In fact, this is one of the coolest way to make money. You don't have to wait for customers order. All you have to do is look for a genuine vendor that sells baking equipment, either mixer, oven and all those. I would advise to go for those big equipment like cake mixer and oven, industrial oven, all those, not like tools. Most of those tools, their profit is very low. So most times you want to drop ship that, you might end up not making enough profit before adding your own profit. So when you drop ship all those big equipment, you are going to make money from it. Even in a month, there's not how one person will not buy oven. And let's say you don't want to put enough profit, at least you make like 5,000 naira. That can cover your data for that month. You can drop ship oven, you can drop ship anything that has to do with baking thing. Post it. The drop shipping is very easy. Just take picture, post on your social media handle, put your contact, put your phone number, and people will start reaching out to you. If you are very good with it, in a month you can sell over maybe 10 units of that product, and if one unit you are gaining 5,000 naira, now 5 times 10, so that is something without having to sit all the time waiting for customers order. Now that cakes are so expensive, a lot of persons are even doing parties without cake, so you have to look for another way to make money. And dropshipping baking equipment is one cool way to make money without ease, without stress. It's you make money at ease without stress. My number five on my list is freelancing. Now let me explain this freelancing. There are a lot of big bakers that have plenty work that is choking them. Most of them, their girls cannot handle it. Some they don't have enough girls. Now you can render your service to all these bakers. You can go and help them cover their cake, do a lot of things, just help around, and at the end of the day they pay you. See, the idea is, if the baker is not, maybe she's not your boss, or she's not the kind of person that you people have been relating together, you can put it on your Facebook that if you need a freelance baker, contact this person. Trust me, they will contact you. Now if this baker is not somebody that relates to you, it is advisable for both of you to agree on the certain amount first before going to work. Don't go and work with the hope that, oh, okay, this person will do me well. Give them your services, help cover cake, do what wedding cake cover. You don't have to take pictures because they are not your work. What you are after is what they will pay you. If you can be getting at least 2 to 3, 4 freelancing job in a month, and they are big jobs, there's no way you will not make at least 50K from that particular freelancing line. Yes, post it on your WhatsApp status, post it on your Facebook. If you need a baker to assist you, contact this person. If you need a freelance baker, contact this person. There are some persons sef, they are very good with cake making, but they are not good with decoration. They're not good with cake decoration. They can call you. So freelancing is another way that a lot of people don't know that, oh, I can render my service to my fellow baker and they get to pay me. If the person is not your personal person, maybe your boss, somebody you respect, please have a terms of agreement before you start. My number six idea is something that many people don't know. A lot of persons don't know that you can rent your cake too and make, even if it's a little token from it. Yes, most of those, just like you rent material, you rent decoration material, you rent tent, you rent this, you can also rent your cake tools For many people that are just coming up, they don't have some kind of cake too. Instead of keeping it, put it up for rent. People can come and rent your mixer. Maybe they have a very big job, they have big wedding cake that they cannot cover, and they are yet to get their own mixer. Sometimes their mixer might just misbehave, and then they are looking for, oh, where can I rent this? You can put it up for rent. All those small small tools, you can put it up for rent instead of leaving them to be lying there without doing anything. You can rent your cake tools just like they rent cooking tools, just like they rent spoon and plate. You can also rent your cake tools. You can rent your turntable, rent, and if the money for the renting is very small, a lot of persons would prefer to rent. If you're a baker, you will know what I'm saying. There are some baking tools that when you buy, you'll not be able to use them again, because before that kind of job will come, it will be difficult. So a lot of bakers will prefer where to rent that particular tool than buying it and tying down their money. So if you have tools that you know, okay, this is very useful, put it up on your social media handles. Let people know that if you want to rent baking tools, I rent. And now my number seventh, the ogbonge one, the main, in fact, the one that is very sure. If you are consistent, this will give you millions in a month. If you are consistent, it's having a baking YouTube channel. Yes, just like my channel now is a baking YouTube channel. When you, instead of sitting down and you don't get customer order, pick up your phone, pick up your stand light, start recording your baking channels. And it does not necessarily have to be, oh, you must shoot recipe before you say, I don't have money to shoot recipe. This video now, I did not shoot any recipe. Hopefully, I'm praying that this video will get a lot of views. So if you watch to this extent, let this encourage you that, okay, I can start up my own baking YouTube channel and give myself like 3 to 4 months, I'll be monetized, and they start posting. And you don't even need to create idea from the scratch. Just go to YouTube. How to open a YouTube channel is there. How to optimize your YouTube channel is there. How to get keywords. Everything you need to start up this YouTube channel, except you, is on YouTube. So that is why you need to bring in yourself. Start up a YouTube channel. Those times that you're sitting down in your shop waiting for customer order, you can use it to record something. Okay, you have customer order that want to bake cake. Record the process of baking that cake, how to bake vanilla cake. You are recording it from that customer order. You are not buying anything. You want to talk advice to baker for 2025. Take your phone, Google, from experience, you content will be coming. If you cannot be doing everyday content, you can be doing 3 times in a week. And if you are consistent with it, YouTube pays like, if you watch the kind of amount that YouTube is paying some YouTuber, you will know that this YouTube is something that is worth trying, and is the crowd is very wide. Anybody can fly on it. So why not jump on YouTube instead of waiting for customer order? So now let's go over everything again on how you can make money without waiting for customer to order as a baker. Having a short physical class, online class, becoming a freelancer, becoming a part-time lecturer, dropshipping baking equipment, renting your cake tools, and hosting your YouTube channel. Now I have a detailed book I've written on how to make money without waiting for customer order. The link of the book will be in the description box. If you want to learn more ideas like this, they are in the book. You can click on it, get a copy for yourself, and please leave a review for me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying to the end. If you find this video very useful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button for more important information and baking ideas like this. See you on my next video. Bye.